Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is a very interesting topic because so many words in Igbo language are spelled the same way but pronounced differently, and we're going to be looking at a couple of them. Spelled the same way, pronounced differently, and with different meaning. Okay, different meaning, different pronunciation, spelled the same way. Obviously there's the punctuations make them different and help us in pronouncing them. We're going to be looking at a few of them. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your friend. Let's go. The one I have here is the most popular one, AKWA. So aqua, cry, aqua, cry, aqua, bed that you sleep on, aqua, bed, aqua, egg, aqua, egg, aqua, cloth, aqua, cloth, aqua, cloth. The second one I have is eze, teeth, eze, king, eze, teeth, eze, king. So those are the two examples I have for EZE. Okay, male, okay, male. Like when you say okay okoko, that's male chicken. Okay, male, okay, male. Okay, share, okay, share, okay, okay, share, like my share. Okay, share. Okay, rat, okay, rat, okay, rat. Okay, male, okay, share, okay, rat, okay, male, okay, share, okay, rat. The fourth one, AKPU, apple, cassava. Apple, Igbo people are known for apple. Apple, cassava. You can also say apple, nuts. Apple, nuts, like when you tie a knot. So apple, apple, omala apple. That's it has knotted. So apple, cassava, apple, nuts. That's KNOT, not NUT. KNOT, that knot. So the sixth one, easy head, easy head, easy head. Easy, blindness, easy, blindness, easy, blindness. Easy, smell, easy, smell, easy, smell. Easy, cook, to cook, easy to cook. Easy, head, easy, blindness, easy, smell, easy to cook. Easy, head, easy, blindness, easy, smell, easy to cook. Sand, aja, 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 aja is sand, aja is sacrifice, aja is sand, aja is sacrifice, aja is sacrifice. So sacrifice to God, sacrifice to whatever you sacrifice to. Aja. IGBO, Igbo, Igbo. The Igbo people as in the tribe, Igbo. Igbo, to prevent. Bo, like when you say Igbo something, is to prevent it. So Igbo. Igbo, to prevent. Igbo, the one that they don't do that one, no. Igbo. So Igbo, the people, the Igbo people, you and me. Igbo, to prevent. They sound very much alike, and then Igbo, that one is different. I know most of you have heard that Burna Boy's song. I want Igbo and Shayo. Igbo. Back, azu, back, azu. Back, azu, 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 back, azu, fish, azu, fish, azu, back, azu, fish. Azu, fish. Ninth one, I have OZO. Ozo, title. Ozo, title. Ozo, again. Ozo, again. Ozo, title. Ozo, again. Ozo is the title. Ndị nze na ọzọ. Ozo, again. Mee ya ọzọ, do it again. Ozo is again. Okay? Ozo, title. Ozo, again. EGBE, egbe. Egbe, gone. Egbe, gone. Egbe, gone. Okay? Egbe, hawk. Egbe, hawk. Egbe, hawk. Egbe, gone. Egbe, hawk. EGBE. Egbe, hawk. Egbe, gone. IHE, ihe. 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 Light, ihe. Light, ihe. IHE, ihe. Light. Ihe, something. Ihe, something. Name me him, give me my stuff, my something, my thing. Ihe, light. Ihe, light, like brightness, light. Ihe, light. Ihe, something. It's a lot, so if you want to take a break, write it down, come back, rewind, fast forward, go back, start from the beginning, feel free to do that. Obi, obi, chest. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Obi, lounge. You know, like the Igbo people's Obi, where they have like meetings and they entertain their visitors. So Obi, chest. Obi, lounge. Obi, chest. Obi, lounge. ONWA, onwa, moon. Onwa, moon. Onwa, moon. Onwa, moon. Onwa, moon. And then you also have Onwa, which is also month. Onwa, month, like Onwa December, Onwa January, you know, Onwa, month. Onwa is moon, Onwa is month. Any friend, any friend, any friend. Any elephant, any elephant. Any friend, any elephant. Any elephant. A lot of people mistake this, say my any. When I'm teaching Igbo language, I try to emphasize it, even though they still make the mistakes, but at some point they learn it. Any is friend, any is elephant. Uku, waist. Uku, waist, your waist. Uku, waist. Uku, waist. Oku, leg. Oku, leg. Uku, waist. Oku, leg. Uku, waist. Oku, leg. Again, uku, waist. Oku, leg. Uku, oku. OGW, ogwu, medicine, medication. Ogwu, medicine. Ogwu, ton, ton, like a ton in my flesh. Ogwu, ton. Ogwu, medicine. Ogwu, turn, ton, ton, TORN, ton. Ogwu. Mma, knife. Mma, knife. Mma, the one you used to cut. Mma, knife. Mma, mma, beauty. Mma, beauty. This is a beauty. It's a discovery. Beauty, beauty. Mma, mma. Okay? Mma. Mma, knife. Mma, beauty. Mma, knife. Mma. Agwa. 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 Agwa can mean character and it can also mean beans. Agwa, character. Agwa, beans. Agwa, character. Agwa, beans. Okay, can mean beans and character. Agua. Agua is beans. Agua is also character. This is the same pronunciation, can mean two different things. Easy eye, easy pig, easy pig, easy outside, easy eye, easy pig, easy outside, easy outside, easy pig, easy outside, easy pig. Egwu, fear, EGW, egwu, fear, egwu, fear, egwu, dance, egwu, dance, egwu, fear, egwu, dance, egwu, fear, egwu, dance, egwu, dance, or sing, or like egwu's music. So igba egwu is to dance, igu egwu is to sing, iku egwu is to play music. Okay, igba egwu is to dance, igu egwu is to sing, iku egwu is to play music. Igba egwu to dance, igu egwu to sing, iku egwu is to play the music. Okay, iku egwu is to like make the music, probably playing it or making the music, as in you are the composer. Oku, fire, oku, fire, and oku can also mean light. Oku, fire, and oku, light. Oku, fire, and oku, light. Like when when the light comes on, electricity light comes on, we say, oh, ewetego oku, that's light. And fire we also call oku. Igwe, king, IGWE, Igwe, king, Igwe, sky. Igwe, king, Igwe, sky. So a little bit way of differentiating it is say elu igwe, so you know that you're talking about like heavens or the sky. Okay, so when you see igwe, igwe is king, just like Eze is king, and then you can also say igwe, sky, igwe as in up the sky. Okay. Ilu, proverb, ilu Igbo, proverbs, ilu, proverbs, ilu, bitterness. Hey, oh, the ilu is bitter. Ilu, bitterness, like it's bitter. Ilu, proverbs, ilu, proverbs. So ilu, ilu can be called, can be bitterness, that something is bitter, and ilu can also be that you're talking about the Igbo proverbs. Ilu Igbo. O2, one. We all know what O2 is, one. And then there's O2, which is a group. O2 is like a group of people. O2, a groups, okay? Like age groups, O2. So O2 is a group, and then O2 is one. Igwe, iron, IGWE, Igwe, iron, Igwe, iron, Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, iron, Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, iron, Igwe, bicycle. Iron is Igwe, and also a bicycle is called Igwe. Same thing, same pronunciation, they can mean two different. Ike, strength. Ike, strength. Ike, strength. Ike, buttocks. Ike, buttocks. Ike, strength. Ike, bum, buttocks. Ike, bum, buttocks. Ike, strength. Mba, no. We all know that one. Mba, no. Mba, to scold. Mba, to scold. Mba, no. Mba, to scold. Stop that. Can you stop that? Come, Kusia. Mba, to scold. Mba. Abo, armpits. Abo, armpits. And abo is also poem. Abo tutu kainene chuku. Abo, poem, or like singing to God, you know, abo, poem, sing, you know, to abo, to sing, you know, abo, poem. And then abo is armpits. Here people say, akam, abum, adrokia. That means my hand, My armpit is not there. I remove my hand from it. Stuff like that. You hear amongst the Igbo people. Abum de ocha. Like my armpit is clean, oh. Akam de ocha. My hand is clean, oh. Abum de ocha. My hand is not there. I'm not involved. Nza sparrow. Nza sparrow. Nza sparrow. Nza sieve. Sieve to see, you know the sieve you use when you're washing your rice, like to sieve out the water. Sieve. Nza sparrow. Nza sieve. Nza. Ara madness. You've heard that song. Ara gabandara one day, whether you like her or you don't like her. Ara gabandara one day, iyane me man no do easy. Ara gabandara one day. So that song, Ara there is saying madness, and then Ara is also breast. Some people say Ala. I think that's Anambra. A-L-A, breast. A-R-A, breast. Ara, madness. Ara, madness. And then Ara, Ara, breast, boobs. Nti, cheek. Nti, ear. Nti, cheek. Nti, ear. Nti, cheek. Nti, ear. Okay guys, I've come to the end of this video. These are a few that I was able to put together for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone you know that would benefit from this video. We need to share the Igbo language, to educate on the Igbo language, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and comment down below if you know more Igbo words that are spelled the same way but pronounced differently, and I can try and put another list together and make another video. Until next time, see ya. Bye. Kodi kemesia. Bye.